So, data security overview in Salesforce. So, before learning it in Salesforce, let's learn it about what is data security. For example, there is a banking system. So, there will be some users like there will be bank manager, cashiers, and bank like bank account holders like us. So we suppose a bank holder like me has an access to my own account, my account number, my password, and my account balance and everything. I don't want access, or I don't need have to access for the other bank account user. So and that bank manager should have the access to that locality, account holders and the transaction list and everything. So that suppose I'm a account holder. Suppose I can view another account holder's amount and password. So I can simply claim that money and take it in my account. So how can we make that security? So that way is the data security works. So you can specify which user can view which what amount of data he needed to see, he needed to edit, or he can access to delete the data. So that is the way we can provide this data security. So data security in Salesforce have different levels. So there are organization levels of data access is organization level, object level, and field and records level. So coming to the organization level. So for your whole organization, you can maintain a list of authorized users, set password policies, and limit logins to certain hours and localities. So a bank employee should log in from 10 to 11. He doesn't, sorry, 10 to 4. After 4, even he want to log in, he don't have access to login. That we can provide using this organization level data access. So coming to the objects. So we can provide access to the objects in Salesforce. We have objects. We could provide a level of access to the fields and records. And records we have different sub levels as well. So organization by default, role hierarchy. Organization by default is for entire your organization you will set a default level of sharings. So there will be some values will be private, public read only, public read and write. These are some values. And role hierarchy is like there will be roles in every organization like CEO, under him CTO, under him will be a group of managers, senior managers, then will be a junior managers, then will be associate, under him there will be executives. So there will be a level of hierarchy. So using this role hierarchy also will constrict our data access, and we can use the sharing rules and manual sharing. This is one of these sharing rules will be the automation, where we'll provide create a group, a public group, and share that and keep a group of users in the public group and give access to a particular records they specifically needed. So that way we can give access to some of the specified users to have the access. Uh, and manual sharing will simply share it manually from a record. Now this is the control data access platform. So Salesforce. So what objects a user can see, what fields on those objects can a user see, which record should be able to hidden by default, what exception should be made. So these are so object permissions. We can use these object level security permissions. We'll give using profile and permission set and permission set groups. In the field level also we can use permissions and permission sets and profiles. For record level access, we'll use sharing rules and OWD as well. So in this way, we can segregate the data level access in Salesforce. The main will be there will be interview question asking what is the how many levels of data access we can in Salesforce. We can simply say there is organization level, object level, field level, and record level. Organization level, we can constrict the entire organization level. A user can log in how many times and all. So in this way, we can do this data security overview in Salesforce. Thank you. If you have any queries, please do comment.